Hey, sweetheart, look what I found in the kitchen. A perfect, sunny little pear just for
So
you.
yellow.
Think you can manage a bite?
I'll try.
That's my brave cub.
There we go. Scoop out the middle so it's nice and roomy.
It looks like a little cup now.
Exactly. And this is the best part. Rock sugar.
Is it gonna melt? Is it ready yet?
Almost. Needs to soak up a little more warmth.
Smells like sweet clouds.
A few more minutes, little one.
Oh, look at that steam. I'm like a fluffy little cloud covered in syrup. Sweet, warm, and perfectly squishy. This is the life. Care for a spoonful?
Here we go, little one. Just a warm spoonful. That's it. Sweet as a pear tree.
Feels nice. My throat doesn't tickle now.
Uh-huh. Oh,
It stinks so bad.
Wait, look up! What's that glow?
Whee! Incoming pear syrup!
Oh, it's
Hey,
warm.
the red spots are fading!
Bye-bye, gunky
I
stuff.
can breathe again.
This feels amazing!
Smooth as new.